This Southwest Realty property video is presented by Matthew Streff. Welcome to this Ventana Ranch home. This home features a spacious, open downstairs floor plan perfect for modern living and entertaining. The kitchen features a large central island, ideal for meal prep and gatherings, complemented by a formal dining room. Spread out with 2 living areas downstairs, plus a versatile upstairs loft, possible 4th room. The large primary bedroom offers a private balcony to relax and enjoy that morning cup of coffee or evening glass of wine. Keep the barbecue party going outside with a covered patio and spacious yard. Too hot? This HOA has a community pool for you to soak in. Conveniently located by CNM West, restaurants, shopping, Rust Hospital, parks, and the petroglyphs. Do not miss out. For more information,